kami ngayon guys sa SeaWorld. Punta kami dito. Mag-rides na naman ang aming mga alaga. SeaWorld in Abu Dhabi. Yeah. Panoorin mo mamaya guys. Kumusta ang lahat. See you later. Peace. Hello guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa SeaWorld. Yan guys, ang daming isda. Dito kami ngayon. Yan guys, ang ganda dito guys. Nasa SeaWorld kami. Ang daming isda guys, so sarap adobohin. Oh. Yala go that side oh. It's too much that side, yala come. Dito kami ngayon guys. Come here. Yala touch. Where do you want to go? Inside? Yala. Yan. Huh? I don't know because I don't have contact Mal Jolly.
Tell mom she's coming. I'm gonna say I want to.
Your mama is busy.
No. I'm going.
Yeah, he will come. Yeah. Si guys. Ang ganda ocean. You see the big one. There. Yeah, too big. Too much food. Sa? Ito kami ngayon guys. Too much fish. Yan guys. Yala, when you want to go? Yala, inside? Come. Pasok na kami sa loob guys. Dito kami ngayon guys. Wala nang edit to guys. When beside Dada? 360? It's not allowed before. I will check. It's not down. Oh, yun guys. Ang ganda. Yan, ang ganda. Yala. When you want to go? Down?
It's inside here.
Where? Down. Yun ilasum you wear jacket now. Okay, wait. Ito kami ngayon guys. At tingnan guys, may flamingo dito. Uy, ang lalaki nila guys. Ang lalaki na nila.
I like it.
Ang lalaki ng mga flamingo guys. Yala.
Please do not touch the animal.
Okay. Yala, wala. There, maybe this side. You want to go to what time the show of the
Dolphin.
yeah? When had the
They say
you ask ate what time the show first show of the dolphin? Yala yala ask. Punta kami guys sa ano dito. Si magra-rides daw sila. Ang ingay ng flamingo guys.
Pagod sa araw at gabi, tuloy-tuloy ang laban. Luhat pawis ang puhunan sa pangarap na tapuan. Malayo man sa pamilya, pangarap ang baon. Kahit anong hirap, hindi ako uurong. Buhay of a Pilgrim, hindi magpapasuko. Kahit gaano kabigat, kaya ko to. Sa bawat patak ng luha, may tagumpay sa dulo. Hindi titigil, pangarap ang panalo. Sa bawat gising, laban ulit ang kwento. Di baling mahirap basta mayroong direksyon. Nasa isip ang pamilya, lakas ang inspirasyon. Bawat hakbang papunta sa bagong solusyon. Buhay of a Pilgrim, hindi magpapasuko. Kahit gaano kabigat, kaya ko to. Sa bawat patak ng luha, may tagumpay sa dulo. Hindi titigil, pangarap ang panalo. Bawat bansa'y ibang hamon, ibang kwento. Pero sa puso ko, Pilipinas ang sentro. Tinitiis ang lungkot para sa kinabukasan. Sa dilim ng gabi, ako'y lumalaban. Buhay of a Pilgrim, hindi magpapasuko. Kahit gaano kabigat, kaya ko to. Sa bawat patak ng luha, may tagumpay sa dulo. Hindi titigil, pangarap ang panalo.
Maya, Maya, here, oh, the bigger one. Come, come. Yay! Maya, Chubby? Oh, it's so big, oh. Wow, it's too much. It's too much. Yeah. Yeah. Dima siya ay. Mami, too much. Oh. Yan na. Wow. So much. Chubby, it's too big. It's too much. Wow.
Light. feel this.
You feel it?
I feel
Yan lang,
it
Maya.
so
You feel it?
weird. The
Oh,
feel
it's
is
too
so
much, oh.
the feel is so weird.
Yeah.
This is so
Yeah, it's too much, Maya.
It touched me again. Ah. Wow. Oh, no, that makes me touch. Ta 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 ta.
Oh, Dada. Oh, bigger.
Look at this one.
Oh my God, too big. Too big, so big. Touch.
No. It's so bad.
Oh, Dada. Oh my God, it's so big.
I'm just tripping that he really just came over like look.
Oh. Dima.
No, you.
Wow, Joby. Oh, it's so big, oh. So big. Shama, oh.
I'm not Shamma.
Ay, Dima. It's so big.
I hate the
Hello guys, andito kami ngayon, oh. Penguin. Oh. Oh. Yan guys, oh, ang daming penguin. Oh, diba? Oh, diba guys? Daming penguin dito guys. Ayan guys, oh, nagyayelo dito sa loob. Ang lamig. Oh. Yala guys. Guys, so, daming penguin. Penguin. It's so cold, the penguin. Oh my God, so cold. I'm here, the baby penguin. Eee. Oh. Guys, so. Yun guys, so. Oh,